Welcome to the last part of the pivot table series. In this short video, you learn about the Design Contextual tab. Whenever you click on the pivot table, this Design tab appears. In the Layout group, first there is Subtotals drop-down. You can see three options here. To make them work, you have to create a group first. I'm creating two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Above the group, you can see the subtotals for each group. By default, they are shown at the top of the group, but you can turn them off. Go to the Design tab and just click on Do Not Show Subtotals. They get hidden. The second option shows subtotal at the bottom of the group. To get back to the default style, select the third option, Show All Subtotals at top of group. Let's turn off the subtotals and ungroup them. They are grand total for rows, which means they are calculated row-wise, and they are column-wise grand totals. You can turn on or off showing the grand totals also. You can hide them for both rows and columns, or you can bring them back to their normal position. Turning off just for rows or just for columns is also possible. Different report layouts are available. The default layout style that we generally see is the compact form. But here's the problem. It shows the row and column labels. What are they actually? These are salesperson and columns are of different regions. If you change the layout to outline form, this changes to salesperson and region. You can change these showing names if you want. Just double click on them and editing mode is on. For example, I am changing it to area. That's it. Another one is tabular form. It creates an outlook like a table with grid lines. To use these blank rows options, I have to bring multiple items as the row labels. Currently, there's only one item, which is the salesperson. If I drag the area field to the rows area, each salesperson will become an item. Now I can insert blank rows or remove them. Let's take area field to the columns area. Now try to insert blank rows. It won't work. Again, bring the area field to the rows area. In the pivot table style options group, you can change some styles. You can turn off the row headers. Look, they are not bold anymore. Same goes for the column headers. Here, row labels and sales amount are the column headers. Uncheck the option and that's it. You can turn on banded rows for separation of each row from others. Take area field to the columns area. Creating banded columns is also possible. They are for better visualization of your data. Some preset styles are available in the pivot table styles group of commands. There are three main categories: light, medium, and dark. You can choose any one of them. Also, you can create your own style. Here's a tip for you. Go to the dataset worksheet, which contains the original dataset. Select any cell inside it, advance to the Insert tab. In the Tables group, click on Recommended Pivot Tables. It's like magic. It will show a list of multiple pivot tables with various combinations of fields in different areas. You don't have to drag and drop the fields. You can insert them on a new sheet or into the existing worksheet wherever you want. Time for a quick pop quiz. Can you share one insightful aspect about the pivot table that you have personally discovered and that hasn't been covered in our video series? Write it in the comments below. See you in the next topic. Bye!